Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to integrate delivery in WooCommerce. Very easy and simple. First you go ahead and install it, and then what you do guys is you go ahead and access the settings, okay, the order delivery settings. So you need to go to the shipping and delivery section for the WooCommerce settings, and then you go to shipping options. And then from the shipping and delivery tab and shipping options, what you do is you determine the shipping date, the day you submit your orders for your shipping carrier, okay? So you select the shipping days, and you can select the limit as well, right? Can go ahead and do that, and also you can go and set up a shipping calendar. So you can define your holiday period, the bank holidays, basically days where the shipping company will not be operating in, and on the other time or situation where the orders will not be shipping. You can also choose delivery options, right? Can use delivery ranges as well. For example, if it's urgent, how many days it would take, basic, the shipping days, and default as well, and the shipping methods applicable with that. Can go ahead and check those out. And then we have delivery days. So you define all the, available days for delivery and their conditions, right? So for example, if you order on Monday, the time frame will be Monday afternoon, things like that, right? And then you can set up a delivery calendar, right? So where we're defining the holidays, things like that. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.